Yahu Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Nabo, Pengna, Hazi, Yongbo Pheng Xiong, Ha Mai Vu, Her Painting She Heard, Nugunya Dao Piano, Landau Bo, The Town Nugunya, Tai Lo, Shina, The Shino, Ping or Holly, Ping Basha, or to join Yacho Hun Suke or Holly, Yan Tande, Ping Basha. Yo thế ít phải thờ cởi số ban chuông.
Hello? Oh, okay. Hello everyone, Happy New Year's. It's that time of year again where us young men come here to find our loved one, our soulmate. We're gonna be married. We're trying to get married. But one thing that always bothered me during marriages is probably the dowry, or why we put a price on our brides. 'Cause I think it's unjust, and it's just really not right. Why does money have to depend? Why do we depend on money just to love our ones? If I paid only this much, does it mean that I love you only this much? It should not define who you are. I have 3 sisters, and they're all married, all have children. And I know my brothers-in-law, they love them, regardless how much money they have paid. And I think it's not right for them to pay to love. It's affecting a lot of us younger generations because some are getting married, some are getting engaged, and some just can't seem to find a way to pay for it. In our culture, it's a belief that we should pay for love, pay for marriage. My solution for this is to just drop it. I don't say to change it completely, but just we need to know who we're from, and what we need to do to this is just to take that money, buy a gift. This is the reason why we tell each other to buy a gift, so they can support our lives. I believe that this dowry is sexist, and most of you guys do believe me that our own culture is sexist. It's unjust. And this is a sensitive topic to talk about, but it's true. It's coming from the bottom of my heart that we, as men, as Hmong men, should not put a price on our brides. If I love you, there's no price. It's priceless. And this is where I think our culture went wrong. I believe that the dowry is wrong. Thank you.
ขอเชิญกับเพลงเชี่ยวอีกช่วงสิ